Well, hi guys, welcome back to this Moneycontrol live stream. You're watching Midday Market Mood Check with me, Nandita Khemka, and my colleague Yatin Mota. Well, Yatin, the bulls are charging ahead with gusto.
Absolutely.
Last week of 2023, and you can see the celebrations on the screen, right? Last night we had Wall Street clock a very strong close. In fact, S&P 500 just about 0.5% away from record levels. And this morning, 21,600 has been crossed, and Nifty Bank also hit a fresh record high. And all the sectors trading in the green. In fact, if you look at the Nifty, 13 stocks at least are at record or multi-year highs, right? And Nifty Bank, all 12 constituents on that index also, in the green. Autos, metals, they're all leading from the front. Metals, remember, yesterday that pack was active, and even today we have the likes of Tata Steel, Hindalco, among gainers. But Yatin, if you look at the advanced decline ratio, firmly in favor of gainers, and the mid and small caps are also participating in the rally. But let's talk about some of the counters that are making news at the current juncture. Of course, the cement pack is fairly active on the back of a positive news flow. In fact, brokerages have upgraded most of these cement stocks, right? So, a lot of buying interest there. Nomura has upgraded the cement stocks, the likes of Ultratech. That stock has also hit a fresh high today, mind you. Stock has been upgraded to buy, target price of 11,500 on the stock. Dalmia Cement, Ramco Cement, these are some of the other upgrades. And when you look at Shree Cements, they have maintained a buy rating, target price at 33,400. What are the factors? According to Nomura, the momentum buying momentum is likely to continue in cement stocks, and the volume growth likely to be stronger in the second half of the current fiscal as well. And a few factors aside of volume growth, pricing discipline, and relatively lower input costs. These are some of the factors that will aid the cement rally going forward. Aside of that, Yatin, L&T has also hit a fresh record today.
Absolutely.
New order wins.
New order wins, and the capital goods space anyways is in focus because L&T not only announced a new order, but yesterday, the External Affairs Minister Jaishankar tweeted that he's in Russia, and they've finalized the cooperation for a nuclear power project in South India. And the previous turbines and the projects were executed by BHEL and L&T. So anyways, these two stocks were in focus, since the morning. So yes, order win and a potential transaction for this nuclear power plant could be boosting the revenue and order book for L&T as well as possibly BHEL.
All right, Yatin, if you look at some of the other movers on the Nifty, as I was mentioning, Ultratech, most of the Tata Group companies also at record highs. Among the gainers today, you have the likes of Hindalco, Tata Motors, Tata Steel, Bajaj Auto, but Hero Motor seems to have taken a breather. Remember, the stock hit a fresh 6-year high yesterday, right? So that's under some bit of profit booking. Britannia, Asian Paints, and some of the IT names like Wipro and TCS, once again in the red. But let's talk about the mid-cap end of the markets, Yatin. Of course, we know that both the mid and small-cap indices are trading, in fine fettle. They are all, higher by about 0.5% or thereabouts at least. But, some corporate development in Dish TV, right? And the entire board, in an unprecedented move, has been ousted. Tell us more about that.
This was, this shareholder activism was during the time of Yes Bank, where it was a majority shareholder, and now that, shareholding has been transferred to JC Flower ARC. Now, it was long due. It is not something which is new to the markets, but yes, the process got completed in which the independent directors and a few of the directors were removed from their post, and newly elected independent directors are now on board. So yes, I think this is a part of the shareholder activism, and we have seen a lot of turbulence in Z as well as Dish TV because of the ongoing issues with respect to the promoter group debt. So yes, this is not something which is surprising to the street, but yes, the process finally done, and the shareholders have voted against the extension of tenure of these independent directors.
Right, Yatin, we had 3 new listings today, out of which 2 were lackluster, but they have, I think, picked up steam. Like RBZ Jewelers, it had a flat listing, but last time I checked, it was up 5% or thereabouts. Happy Forgings is the only one that made investors happy. Double-digit premium, 18% or thereabouts. But aside of all these new listings, any other mid-caps that you are spotting in today's session? Anything that's hitting fresh 52-week high?
So, stocks that are doing well in trade today, Sona Comstar, Polyplex, Sharda Cropchem, BDL, that stock continues to rally. All of these stocks up anywhere between 6 to 5%. What's not doing well is Phoenix Limited, Vedanta, obviously it's gone ex-dividend as well. Coromandel, there was an ammonia leak at their South India plant near Chennai, and that stock is down 3% after that issue. Now, stocks which are doing well in trade at 52-week highs, BDL, stock is up 5%. Kansai Nerolac, they concluded a transaction with respect to the lower rail property, which they will be selling to one of the real estate developers for over 750 crores. That stock is at 5%. Hindalco, Ultratech Cement are the Birla Group companies which are at 52-week highs. Tata Motors, Bajaj Auto from the Auto Pack are doing well. Apart from that, metal stocks like JSW Steel, Tata Steel at new 52-week highs. Lodha, L&T, Colgate Palmolive, PPL Pharma, Titan, DLF, all of these stocks trading at record levels.
So it's like a green splashed across the screen, and it's a good thing, of course. We are heading into the new year on a very upbeat note,
Yeah.
and we'll have to see whether or not ab ki baar we hit 22,000 on the Nifty or not. Hopefully, at least if not in the remaining
Yeah.
sessions of the year, maybe, first week of Jan.
Correct.
Who knows? I mean, we'll just be waiting for that new milestone. But today itself, it has been a milestone day for us as well. 21,600 crossed, even though we've cooled off a bit, but that's something that we expected highs, right? But with that, we are done with this midday market mood check. Thanks a lot for tuning in. But come back and join us at 3:30 p.m. where we will be taking stock of the market close and some of the stocks that we will be keeping on our radar this afternoon. So come back and join us. But for now, it's a goodbye from me and Yatin. Thanks a lot for tuning in. Stay tuned to Money Control for all your other news and updates.